Okay, let's for play.
Okay, I have. Let's do hector hyena for move.
This is my home too, and this is my fluffy puppy hyena pet pillow. Watch TV.
Considering potentially moving back. But after spending the last 2 months seeing the very drastic changes that have taken place in Toronto over the last 4 years since I've been gone, I am sad to say that Toronto has changed, and not for the better. Toronto may not be on the same scale as other major cities in the world like New York, London, or Tokyo, but it is the biggest and most cosmopolitan city that Canada has to offer. Speaking of diversity, Toronto is actually considered to be the most multicultural city in the world, since more than 50% of the population was born elsewhere. It is definitely an amazing city to live in because it feels like a melting pot of the world with many different cultural neighborhoods and festivals. And while it is a fast-paced city, being the economic hub of Canada, it also
She's a small wonder, lovely and bright and soft curves. She's a small wonder, a child unlike other girls. She's a miracle, and I grant you, she'll enchant you at first sight. She's a small wonder, and she'll make your heart take flight. La 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 la. She's fantastic, made of plastic, microchips here and there. She's a small wonder, brings love and laughter everywhere.
Sure, go to hospital.
Come push 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 push. Push 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 push. Congratulations, it's a hector hyena.
She's so stupid.
Ice cream truck, how dare baby hector hyena stupid. That's it grounded 627 us Canada, go to room right now.